Hey, welcome back to Lemon Coin, your go-to destination for delightful recipes. Today we are diving into the world of flavors with our special white chicken biryani. So grab your apron and let's get started. First up, let's prepare those aromatic spices. Combine green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, black peppercorns, dried red chilies, bay leaf, and coriander seeds. Grind them to perfection. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Now for the marination, mix yogurt, garlic paste, ginger paste, salt, lemon juice, our blended masala. Mix them well. Add chicken, chopped cilantro, chopped mint leaves, tomatoes, fried onion, and the oil we used for frying onion. You can also add green chilies for that extra kick. Mix it all up and let it marinate for at least an hour. Transfer the marinated chicken to a pot and cook over medium to low flame for 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is tender. If there's excess water, increase the flame to high and reduce it, ensuring a slight moisture remains for that perfect wetness in the rice. In a separate pot, bring 8 to 9 cups of water to a boil. Add black cardamoms, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, bay leaves, cloves, green cardamom, and salt. Use a slightly extra amount of salt. Taste the water and it should have a mild hint of additional saltiness to enhance the overall flavor of the biryani. Once boiling, add pre-soaked rice and cook until 70 to 80% done. Strain and set aside. Now let's assemble our biryani. Start with a layer of half of the boiled rice, cooked chicken, tomatoes, fried onion, cilantro, chopped mint leaves, chopped green chilies, and cover with the remaining rice. Sprinkle more fried onion, cilantro, mint leaves, oil, and a few drops of biryani or kevra essence. It's totally optional. Cover the pot, cook on a high flame for 5 minutes, then simmer on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. The aroma is irresistible. Your mouth-watering biryani is ready to be served. You can serve it with raita and masala onion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always love hearing from you, so drop your feedback in the comment section below. Now tasting time. Delicious! Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.